Welcome back to our channel. Upgrade your kitchen and experience the future of cooking today with Chef's Pan, a smart countertop cooking system that brings speed, precision, and versatility right into your kitchen. Powered by advanced pure light technology, the Brava cooks with light, reaching full power in seconds and delivering perfect results without preheating. Paired with the spacious Chef's Pan, you can sear, roast, bake, or sauté full meals in one dish, making it easier than ever to cook like a pro at home. One-touch smart programs, 8,000 plus customizable cooking programs free and pre-downloaded to your mini oven, as well as accessible through your Brava mobile app. Automatically cook up to 3 ingredients, protein plus 2 vegetables, at once. Recipes also include pizza, chicken wings, veggies, and more. Contains 1 Brava oven, 2 metal trays, 2 glass trays, 1 Temp Sensor probe thermometer, 1 9x5-inch Loaf Pan, 1 9x9-inch Square Pan, 1 6-cup Muffin Pan, 1 4-cup Egg Pan, and 1 enameled cast Chef's Pan and lid. 10-in-1 versatility, multiple appliances in one. Air fry, roast, bake, sear, broil, toast, reheat, rice cook, dehydrate, slow cook, and keep warm all in one powerful 1800-watt Countertop Touchscreen Smart Oven. Consolidate countertop kitchen appliances with this Brava Smart Oven. Accessibility for all. Brava is designed with inclusivity in mind. Its screen readers support the blind and visually impaired, while the app-based control allows remote cooking management. Features like automatic shutoff, cool-to-the-touch exterior, and guided recipes ensure safety, ease, and an effortless cooking experience for everyone, every time. Feed 1, 2, or 4. Brava's recipe programs and unique zone cooking let you decide the quantity of how many you are feeding. This includes 2-level even cooking with no rotating required. Fit a whole tray of protein, chicken, steak, fish, etc., plus a tray of vegetables. Multi-zone cooking allows you to automatically cook combinations of up to 3 ingredients all at once on the same tray. The Brava Oven Chef's Pan isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a smart cooking companion designed to save you time while unlocking new flavors and textures. Whether you're cooking breakfast, weeknight dinners, or weekend feasts, the Brava gives you chef-level results with the touch of a button. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.